Okay, so here's how you save this template in Gmail if that's what you're using. So you should have received the email from me. So what you'll do is hit forward, get rid of all this top portion with the forward and your own signature. And actually you can edit the subject. Let me edit it properly. So it would be introduction to Pinky Shah's mortgage team. Yours will probably be there already. You just have to remove the letters forward on yours, right? The spacing is off a little, so I'm just gonna fix that a little bit. Okay, everything else looks good. So then I'm going to go here to the three dots where it says templates, and you'll do save draft template. We can overwrite one, which we don't want to do. We're going to do save as new, and you can just call it introduction to Pinky Shah's team or whatever you want to call it, and save. And that should be it. So let's open a new message. I'm going to go to templates. Here we go. And this is what I meant. Let's just double check the video did come through here. The image came through and the link is there. I can test it just to make sure. And yes, it's taking me to the right place. So, you know, we can double check all the links if we wanted to, but it looks like it came through fine. So just hit forward on the message and then come to this and save templates. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks.